Welcome to Echotraders. It's Tuesday morning, 9:30, almost 9:30 is 9:28 and a half. 9:28 and a half. We're looking for a long here on the ES. This is on the ES here this morning. We expect a small pullback, possibly to 75.75, but if not, we're okay with that. And we'll see if we can get a push to the upside. So the upside target is 21.82 and a quarter. We'll come back and keep you posted. My name is Dale Elliott. Okay, let's pop back in here. It is now 9:38. I have a little reading material here for you. You can come back and read that. I'm not going to read it for you, but anyways, it is something that you have to keep in mind. We had mentioned we were looking for a pullback here. I can zoom in on this here. We didn't quite get the pullback, the far pull. We preferred not to see it anyway, to 21.75 and 3/4. It did pull down into 76. So we did get that pullback. Now the market has come up in here to 21.79. It is a resistance area, and we have resistance clearly marked. Our target area is our 91.8% at 21.82 and 1/4 to the upside. Now we do have a 100 up here, and we have all kinds of resistance areas to get up to. A nice place to put a little bit of this here in your pocket would be 21.79 and a quarter, and then see if you can hang on to the runner. Now we haven't quite got that. We have to break up through the 21.79, and it looks like we're going to do it right now. So let's see if we can zoom in here. Just that's a little tiny bit better, and we'll try to zoom in. So we have to break up through 21.79, and then we can get our target to 82 and 1/4. So first things first, and we'll come back and keep you posted. It could take half an hour or so. I'll take just a moment here to explain what the money off area is and why we put that on the chart. Because every morning that we start trading, we have a position that we take for a target, and somewhere en route to that target, we want people to put some money in your pocket. So that's why we pick this spot here. And that way, if the trade goes against you, at least you put something in your pocket at somewhere en route to target. So we had mentioned our target here is 82 and 1/4, but you can see this here yellow line here, I'll put the crosshairs off to the side, is a resistance area every step of the way. It's just a real tug of the war here. So there's other spots in here, but as long as you had put something in your pocket, you have money for the day. So we'll see. We probably won't get up here for, we had mentioned, a half an hour. It looks like it's going to be a lot longer than that. So we'll come back once it goes to target. So we just thought we'd come back here. It is now 18 minutes after 10 o'clock. There's a live running time clock on the bottom left-hand part of your screen that goes right to the seconds. So it is 10, 18, and 45, 46. All right. So 21.82 and a quarter is another place to take money or look at locking in money. It doesn't mean the market's going to stop there. It just means that, hey, we have targets on the way, and we try to be disciplined when the market gets to those targets, that we actually do take money. That is, so if we don't, what happens is you say, oh, I want to have the market get back to where I was supposed to take that money. And it doesn't always go back and give you what you could have had if you had just taken it. So what we call this is, we call it the pecking order. So we get in the pecking order, and then you still have to use a trailing stop of some sort. You can leave, depending on your management skills. We have suggestions of how to do that, but we prefer you not to choke a winning trade. We prefer you to take money en route to your targets, and then your next targets, etc. So 82.25, just having a little trouble getting here. I thought if I talk long enough that it would have more than enough time to get there, but it needs another minute or two. So I'll come back in just a minute. Okay, so there you have it. 21.82.25 reached, and we put that in our pocket. Now, if you have another contract on, you're just going to manage that to farther targets. So if the share market is inclined to go to targets beyond, your next target is 85.75. We do not believe that it'll be a straight line. So till next time, trade well, my friends.